Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a very old tutorial. I mean, this is a year and a half old. This is from like 2018, like early 2018. So I debated not posting this because actually the footage is also a little bit incomplete, but I figured it was kind of a fun way to look back on like how far I've come in like doing my own nails, because some of my new tutorials are just really good, and it's always nice to see where we come from, because I was probably only doing hard gel for 6 months at this time, maybe a little bit more, but I noticed my prep is still the same. So I take Vitaprime, and then I, of course, obviously prep all the cuticle off my nail and stuff. Take Vitaprime, then I come in with the foundation, and then I cure, and then I come in with one step. So again, that's a typical start of a video for me, and that's awesome to see. So I'll let you finish watching that, because I have about 2 years worth of tutorials that feature that exact same step. Coming in with black tie. Now, black is the devil. Literally, black gel polish is the devil. I hate it so much. And it's funny because I just did a tutorial with black, but I did it in a gel polish, not the buttercream. And it's still so hard to work with. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm just not good enough for black to just work for me. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's not black. Maybe it's me. But yeah, so I apply this all over the nails, and then I actually come in with a second coat. Now, the whole sparkly bit, I actually don't have that footage. So again, I debated not uploading this, but I took a poll on my Instagram and people said, hey, just put it up anyway, even though the footage was incomplete. So once I do this, I do put some of these sparkles on, and it's just a loose sparkle. You can get it from like AliExpress or eBay or Amazon. They're literally just loose hollow sparkles, and I just take a brush and I just kind of brush them on. So I don't do any rhyme or reason. Literally, I just brush them on so they're a little bit dispersed throughout the nail. I don't do a ton, so you can still see a lot of that black. And then I build it up with one step. And I think, or is it the other way around? Okay, I lied. So I built up the nail, and then I put tack on, and then I put a layer of one step and put it in. So, okay, well, I guess that's what happens when you have a 2-year-old tutorial that you're trying to do a voiceover. Yeah. I think I do black buttercream over this, then one step, and then I do that. Or you can even put it in the black buttercream on top. So, yeah, that's where we are now. Like, literally missed the whole important part. But like I said, you guys wanted to watch it, so don't worry, better tutorials are coming. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.